The Bridges Individual Lens workshop helps to deepen our understanding of economic class while greatly enhancing our own individual self-awareness. Once you've had those internal aha moments of reflection, the possibilities become endless for your organization. The Bridges Institutional Lens workshop helps us to examine our organizational effectiveness and ultimately improving our relationships, our collaboration, and our outcomes. We uncover how to build resources together for a healthier, engaged, thriving organizational culture. We apply the Bridges Lens to improve our policies, our procedures, our programs, our services, as well as our internal collaboration using a person-centered motivational approach. Bridges is a relational model that supports individuals and organizations to break out of surviving and into thriving. So join us for an Institutional Lens workshop and see how Bridges can support you in